do you feel that the Zomi party is able to communicate with the government to voice your concerns, either to your local state parliament or to the union level government?
အခုကဒီအစိုးရနဲ့ဒီအခုဆရာတို့ပြောနေတဲ့အဲ့ဒီ Federal စနစ်အတွက်ကိုအစိုးရနဲ့ direct ပြောနေတာက CNF ကပြောနေတာဖြစ်နေတယ်ဆိုတော့ဟိုဆရာတို့အခုလိုချင်တဲ့ဥစ္စာနဲ့ CNF ကလုပ်နေတဲ့ဥစ္စာနဲ့ဒလန်နေသွားတဲ့ပုံစံမျိုးဖြစ်နေတယ်ဆိုတော့အဲ့လိုမျိုးဆရာတို့ကဒီ CNF ကအဲ့ဒါအစိုးရနဲ့ဆွေးနွေးနေတဲ့အချိန်မှာဆရာတို့လည်းသဘောပါနေတဲ့အတွက်အဲ့လိုမျိုး direct သွားမလားဒါမှမဟုတ်လို့ရှိရင်ဆရာတို့က Zomi party အနေနဲ့တက်ပဲဒီပြည်ရေးစင်ပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ဒီတောင်စုအစင်ပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်အစိုးရကိုဆရာတို့ရဲ့လိုအပ်ချက်တွေကိုတက် direct ပြောနိုင်မယ်လို့ထင်ပါတယ် direct လို့
One of the reasons from a mythological perspective that the Chin people accept Christianity is the concept of sacrifice. If any spirit is harming your child and cause sickness, you will offer animal blood to appease the angry spirit so that the sick child will be healed. That kind of concept is already existing. So when we talk about Christ, death on the cross,
You're not suffering for our
they can
sins. Understand
understand the concept.
Quang kích lên mình phải may lắm tiền mà.
CNF, they killed 14 or 15 different people. Was that all at one time?
No.
For a period?
Year of time. Different locations.
Predominantly in the 1990s.
ตัว CNF ได้มีท่าเป็นไอ้หุ่นโผล่เลยเนี่ยมันเจ๋งมาก
Tu ni le khat. Tu hi chajang atha bang tu le khat ni.
ก็เป็นมาสปอร์ตอะไรอย่างท้ายอย่างแบบ
Anu ni ta.
like the one that they killed is it Limo
Eh li.
4 people in Saizang was in 2001
Tu te hi nga la kwa jong ma tung jang a.
So, past 10 years.
yeah right but lately they have almost lost their status because very few army and soldiers left.
They're all getting old.
No,
So they just
it's a dying movement. This opportunity came out the blue. I mean, I talked with the CNF leadership team, the Supreme Council in last time, and the current General Secretary Jing Jung told me that we hardly have anyone in the camp anymore because we cannot support them financially. It's hard to raise finances, and they thought that well, it's a losing battle. So a lot of them left already in. But
This is
when the
really-
government came up with this one,
an opportunity for that.
the existing was known by those certificates.
Yeah.
That's right. It's true.
So, do you think if the CNF in its negotiations is able to get a commitment from the government regarding the federalist issue, do you think, and they apologize for their past behavior, and they don't become a political party, do you think that might unify all the different political groups that are now showing up into a more cohesive Chin Zomi movement to support the federalism?
It would be a long way. The tension is not only in the political arena, stayed with the house and Lushais, the Mizos, and with Suktes and Siyang, another. This area, Tang Sao, Grain,
Khong Sai.
Sai, okay. Okay, well. Gam Saliang,
Ngam Saliang.
Gam Saliang, wild animal lakes in Saliang, domestic animals. Xiao Xia, no?
Piang Xia.
Yang Xia. Neptune tax. But today been tourist day and the hibang 4晚3晚嘛，你这边么？很important啦。mun nang aki mo lo ba kasi lay tubo pa hibang lian hibang ben hibang be kompa mo. The only kind of this probably in the world just for this story here.
This one right here.
Right.
So he died in 1948.
Gumu khub jin pa in in pi koi chinga pik the ding yam chagen tha pa ya shadolian hian lai kha kha pao de haun ki phasa ke bun aki pat silin kol ji nei da le lui
Thank you very much. James, nice to meet you.
Presenting the traditional swirl to Mr. James and his friend.
Wow, thank you very much.
Không okay.
Okay, it's time for presenting the traditional swirl to Mr. James Wujin.
Wow, thank you. All right, thank you.
U kham no gi min yel le wa Dr. Chin Do Kham theilo mo.
And Dr. Chin Do Kham. Okay, then secondly, welcome speech from ciaptehna.
You arrived perfectly and we prayed a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, thirdly, gun firing and welcome glorious songs and dance from
Come to me there. Khala pumpi khaut nau na ringang panta. American kumpite tangang pai. Tanzunga se Uliante. Topa basianin tupang piak sakeno. Tonzangam hamtungam kiabang zunu puatau taweno. Tonzang mi pitain. Undonung muapunge.
Okay, it's welcome glorious songs and dance.
You guys are good dancers.
Làm xem mà màu chết. Nó về, kiểu kiểu vậy.
Merry Christmas to everyone too.
Dùng đâm bò chúng ta đồng nghe chị.
Good dance there. I like that. Thank you. Thank you for that warm welcome. Wow, what a turnout. Good drumming there. I like that. That's right.
Giờ kia trong kitchen ta kiện má thế này. Ê, đâm chú. Đâm chú. Xem bao cái channel nữa. Xem bao cái video này. Ê, lu nam ngay sao bao. Hi cái tụi mình sẽ bắt này câu tiếng Anh mà. Ê, đi làm gì? Ê, mình bắt cái. Iya tiga. Lại. Okay, được đâm ngay. Được đâm ngay. In đến lâm trang này nè, làm bài đi nè.
Video bọn nào cùng phía pa Phalna tôi phải gì? Cái tàu kêu. Áo bảo kiếm phụ kiện mà. Rồi. Hilam ne, hilam nang pai kele. Hilam ya. Okay.
Aliap sama kewat kila lo kali ko aliap.
Khang ba nu.
Hilamang pai lai wo. Hilamang in pai lai hilama. Hi khong khatang pai ya. Bang khat dim pian wo. Bang khat dim ni se no. Ku la ya me ma kar ya.
Ôm tuột cái bàn dậy lại đúng không?
Không lắc cái gì. Gì cũng vào mà rồi. Mình là chắc lâu rồi. Mình làm mà chỉ bị con lô cái cho nó. Khi ngại.
Còn khăm la không muộn đâu à? La không muộn đâu à?
Một bóc lâu.
Ăn nó.
Okay.
Ini là đúng không mày? Sama mày. Thảo đâu bóng cho nó con lão bắt liền. They said you're frightened one day.
I wasn't frightened, just excited.
À lóm lại rồi, lão ấy.
That's a good touch you got there.
Lúc nào cũng vào
Hi. Ah, wow, what a beautiful baby. Wow.
Khá bao gì? Quay ở lâu quay. Từ điểm này về này. Dưới không?
Dưới kia.
Quay một cho quay tầm. À, thôi, còn lại có được.